Hey, everybody, this is Tom with another Monday networking tip. Today, I want to talk about getting involved with your trade association. Now, if you watch my channel, I talk a lot about why it's important, no matter what you do for a living, to get active in the association that you work in or in some local group like your Chamber of Commerce or the Association for Corporate Growth or some other organization that's going to help you connect with people. You see, you can't just give the human side of business, the networking, the connections, the people. You can't just give that to your competitor. You have to be involved. And the more involved you are with the right organizations, the more opportunities are going to come your way. Let's face it, all opportunities that any of us are going to have in our life, all opportunities come from people. And that's why it is so important that you get involved. And don't think that just signing up to join an association and maybe going to one event is suddenly going to blossom your life with opportunities. No, it takes time. You have to invest in the association. You have to put time in to get to know people. You have to volunteer, and you have to show up year after year at several events. But if you do it right and you're there to serve, you're going to make the type of connections that become uncommon connections, which is where people start referring you business and the amount of opportunities that come your way just open up. So get involved in your association. If you've never signed up, look for them online. There's probably someone you can call who will tell you all about the benefits of membership, and then sign up, get involved, and over time, reap those rewards that are in store for you. And don't just let your competition win when it comes to the people side of business.